Hello! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to change or add vouchers and e-coupons to your order on Tesco. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch a Tesco web application, which of course I have done right here. The next thing is, where can you find Tesco? Now, you can find Tesco on Google Play Store, Apple Store, or even the Tesco web application, which of course I'm using right here. Now, how do you create an account on Tesco? Launch in the browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar, type tesco.com and that's going to take you to the official website for Tesco. Once you get into the website, check the top right corner of your screen, you're going to find the sign up tab. Click on that and follow through the on-screen prompt to create your account. After creating your account, it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Tesco. So now that we're here, let's hop into today's text, which is how to change or add vouchers and e-coupons to your order in Tesco. Now from this homepage, you're going to have to head over to the top of your screen where you have groceries, F&F clothing, Tesco Club Card, Tesco Bank, and others. So go ahead and click on the groceries tab. Now it's going to take you to this window where you have an extended menu. Here you have shop groceries, shop homeware, my account, delivery saver, inspiration and events, favorites, my current order, and you have e-gift cards. So go ahead and click on my current order and that's going to take you to your order window. Ta-da! Now in here, I have no current orders, like I do not have orders. This is the tab or this is the window where all your orders are organized. So if you want to change your add voucher and e-coupon to your order right here in this window, this is what you're going to have to do. Now, the first thing is to, of course, we're in the my current orders. This is the window, so we're actually in the right page. Now from this page, you're going to have to click on make changes. All right, so find the order from the my current order section, which is here. Okay, and then once you find your order, you're going to see an option that says make changes, right? Make changes, just very close to your order. So go ahead and click on make changes, and after clicking on make changes, you're going to see more options where you're going to find change items in basket. Now you can click change items in basket. Now they would like you to know that you won't be charged for changing your order, rather, and you must check out your changed order or you receive your original order without any amendments. All right, so to add club card vouchers and e-coupons after you've checked out your order, these are the steps that you're gonna have to follow. So find the order from the my current order section, which we went there, and then I said the next thing is to make changes. Now once you click on make changes, you're gonna find an option that says add e-coupons and vouchers. That's you're going to also find this option change items in basket, right? If you want to change items in baskets. And the next thing is add e-coupons and vouchers. So what you're going to do there is to type in your code so you can add the new e-coupon and or voucher that you want to use. So my current orders, the next thing is click on make changes, all right, to your order. That's the order you want to make changes on. So locate the make changes option right there. So click on that and then you're going to see a couple options which include add e-coupon and vouchers. Click on that and change it. So this is pretty much the process. This is how you can make changes to your vouchers and e-coupons on your order in Tesco. Now you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.